Imagine this. A clear night sky, stars twinkling like diamonds, and then, bam! A signal from outer space. Proof of life beyond Earth, the day we meet alien. Will it bring unity or chaos? Let's start with unity. Picture this. Humanity, united like never before. We set aside our petty squabbles and differences. Countries, once at odds, come together with a single goal, understanding our cosmic visitors. Imagine the knowledge they might share. Advances in technology, medicine, energy. They could help us tackle climate change, even cure diseases. A renaissance of discovery and collaboration. But there's another side, too. Fear, chaos. What if they aren't friendly, but what if they're here to conquer? Panic in the streets. Governments scrambling to prepare defenses. Mistrust brewing between nations. The fear of the unknown, of a superior alien force. Could we handle it? Then there's diplomacy. An alien delegation arrives. Not with weapons, but with an olive branch. World leaders gather for historic talk. Negotiations for peace, trade and cooperation. Imagine the possibilities of intergalactic alliances where we explore the cosmos together, learning from each other. The dawn of a new era in human history. Ultimately, the discovery of alien life would force us to reevaluate our place in the universe. Are we ready to accept that we are not alone? How will this knowledge change us? Our religions, philosophies, our very identity as a species The day we meet aliens will redefine what it means to be human. One thing is certain. The discovery of alien life won't just change our view of the universe. It will change our view of ourselves. Will we rise to the challenge or crumble under the weight of the cosmic truth? Only time will tell. So, sci-fi fans, keep your eyes on the stars. The future might be closer than we think. Until next time, stay curious.